How much you thought you knew and saw, but you now know that all you trusted was untrue. Though you traversed the valleys, depths, and fought with all the dangers that the journey brought, the journey was in me, the deeds were mine. You slept secure in being's inmost shrine. And since you came as 30 birds, you see these 30 birds when you discover me, the sea morgue, truth's last flawless jewel, the light in which you will be lost to mortal sight, dispersed to nothingness, until once more you find in me the salves you wear before. Then, as they listened to the sea morgue's words, a trembling dissolution filled the birds. The substance of their being was undone, and they were lost like shade before the sun. Neither the pilgrims nor their guide remained. The sea morgue ceased to speak, and silence reigned.